The King's Weaver, Chapter 13. The Illusion of a Flower Irava. He didn't kill his father. It's the only thought I've been thinking all throughout the night, lying awake and staring up at my bare ceiling in the small room I call my own. It's the only thought I can think now as I stand in the dew-soaked garden, my shoes damp on the wet morning grass. I'm standing amidst a group of mage candidates. We're facing each other in 2 rows inside a courtyard of hedges, with Master Aldrich slowly pacing between us. The sun is up, that bright, squinting hour of the morning, that's still cold but giving way to warmth. I focus on my weaving under the watchful eye of Master Aldrich. I haven't spoken to him one-on-one since he gave me the courtly manners book to read. But I've been trying to improve my show of manners, to prove to him I'm reading it, which isn't easy. I've never been very good at courtly manners. At least, the being quiet and not drawing overt attention to yourself part. In the air in front of me, an illusion of a flower shimmers and blooms into pinks and greens. I practiced with flower illusions when I was just teaching myself to weave years ago. But I am far beyond flowers now. It's what Master Aldrich asked of me, though, and it would draw less attention than something like a bird or rabbit, which are much more complex to weave into reality, and much more interesting. Precision and control, I murmur to myself, mimicking Master Aldrich's sing-song intonation. Precision and control. It's been his mantra all morning to both the elementalists and the weavers. Just now, he's several candidates down from me, reprimanding an elementalist for trying to rush his magic and burning the tips of his fingers. Nikolai is in the row across from me. He's decided I'm worth acknowledging again and has been shooting me glares all morning. Does he know I met with the king yesterday? But a few others have been giving me weird looks too. Gossip spreads like wildfires in a palace. Nikolai is also weaving a flower, but it is, I can't help but notice, much larger and more colorful and more detailed than mine. Well, fine, then. I slowly enhance the reality of my own flower, making the colors more vibrant, the details sharp and intricate. Nikolai notices, of course. The heat of his glares are becoming rivals to the sun. He weaves several more flowers in the air in front of him, showing off his control. And so do I, springing up a complex pattern of vines as well. Nikolai sneers and adds several bees hovering above his own flowers. So I make a flock of butterflies. He sends his bees toward my flowers, or no, toward me. Weavers, Master Aldrich says, his voice cutting my attention. Nikolai's bees waver, then unravel. I watch the rest of his weaving with alarm, looking for any signs he'll lose control of his magic again. But no, he has his hold on the threads of the flower yet. He's only let go of the threads he sent toward me. I take a breath and bow to Master Aldrich, who's approaching my weaving, inspecting it with a decided squint. I'd forgotten for a moment. And after all my thoughts of the king, after meeting with him and being squarely in his turbulent,